If you're looking to install and access ESPN on your Apple TV, follow these simple steps to get started. First, grab your Apple TV remote and open the App Store from the home screen. Use the search feature to type in ESPN and locate the official ESPN app. Select Get or the download icon to install it on your device. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your cable provider credentials or an ESPN Plus subscription if prompted. If you already have ESPN Plus on another device, you can also use AirPlay to stream content directly to your Apple TV. Simply connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network, open the ESPN app on your phone or tablet, and tap the AirPlay icon to cast it to your TV. That's it! You're now ready to enjoy live sports, highlights, and exclusive ESPN content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let the games begin.